Hello everyone, and welcome back. Get ready for some exciting news that's about to hit Brisbane. We're thrilled to announce that HKTV News is coming soon to your screens, bringing you a fresh perspective and in-depth coverage. Leading the charge is the incredibly talented journalist, Jimmy Hawkins-Mana. With his keen eye for detail and commitment to delivering the stories that matter, Jimmy is poised to become your trusted source for all things Australia and beyond, right here in Brisbane. This is more than just news. It's about connecting communities and understanding the world around us. We can't wait for you to experience the quality and integrity that HKTV News is known for. Stay tuned for more updates on when you can tune in. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you'll follow along for this incredible journey. Welcome.
Together, we are no longer silent.